Hello, welcome to How to Literally. I'm going to show you how to use Yardi Breeze, easy and fast tutorial for newbies. So first of all, log into the Yardi Breeze platform and select property where the delinquent tenant is located. Click on reporting, then go to correspondence and select delinquency. Complete the filter data as you need to find the desired tenant. Remember to select the correct property and use the desired sender. If company is selected, the sender's email address will be the SPOC email on the company settings. If owner is selected, the sender's email will be the email address set up for the owner of the selected property. Then you need to click on display and the tenant list will load. Then select the tenant and click on send registration. Then select the tenant and click on send registered to send the delinquency notice via airmail. You can also bulk send your delinquency notices by selecting more than one tenant and clicking on the register email button. A success notification will be displayed and the delinquency notice will be sent to the selected tenant as a marked or unmarked registered email message according to your company settings.